Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to restart Android 2025. Let's begin. In order to restart Android phone, you want to expand the control center, look for power icon and simply click on it. Then hit restart. Of course, if you can't find this icon, there's also a way for you to turn off and restart your phone, and it's by simply pressing and holding power button and volume up. Just like that. Then all you want to do is simply hit restart and your phone will reboot in a moment. As you can see, our phone is now successfully rebooting. Amazing. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.